Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
We're doing this? We're doing
go,
this?
Go to the side, go to the nose. Go to the nose of the villain.
Do you see the dude all the way up top, like directly below the moon?
Yeah, I see him.
Wait, we have 1 minute, dude. I'm gonna have a bad angle to see this.
Here, right here. Come here.
Yeah, he's just hiding behind a tent.
He's hiding, yeah, he's just showing up there, you see him? He's just like, bro, I'm just gonna hang out here, it's fine.
I'm coming, ninja!
Oh my god. Alright, you push up. I'm gonna watch from underneath. People should have built a
Yo, right here.
Stop it.
Right here, these guys.
Oh my god, someone's shooting me out. Oh my god,
Let's just chill by these guys.
Tripling it up. You guys dance. We're just trying to.
We gotta go up. We gotta go all the way up, though. We gotta go all the way up. Here it is, boys.
It's happening.
It's happening
right now. That's a different alarm.
We gotta get up.
It's it!
It's happening.
Oh my god.
It's happening.
Get a good seat.
Get the popcorn out, boys. Get the popcorn out.
Everyone dance.
Oh god!
Oh my god.
Like a bird.
This is so sick. What's happening?
Where's it going?
Is it turning yet? Is it going to the moon?
Oh, is it turning?
Please go to Little Lake!
Go to the lake. Blow up Blue
Are we
Lake.
fighting now?
No way. Wait, I'm watching this, dude.
Where's it going?
What?
It's going.
Wait.
It just broke off.
What? Where's it going?
Something broke off. Something broke off for sure. 100%.
This guy's trying to ruin my day.
Oh my god.
Why me?
Everyone's killing everyone.
Alright, I can still watch it. They broke off?
Where'd it go?
Dankness. Everyone go to Dankness.
Shh.
There's something blue in the sky. It's giant red laser.
What's it aiming at?
Oh god, dude.
Killed it!
Oh my god, I shouldn't have killed everyone. What just happened?
What?
It just
Ben!
What?
Don't die! Ben, move! What's happening? What is that? Ben, go!
Oh, it juked us.
there's a spaceship flying around.
Tim, look at it!
It's just zapped out over here. What is happening?
What is happening?
It's going like through portals.
Tim, don't die to fall damage! Wait!
Just bust back out, go back to space.
Oh my...
What is happening, dude?
Just keep watching it. Tim, you gotta be careful. All those guys are fighting now. Just drop down.
Are you guys there?
Tim, we're
I'm
here.
still alive.
My mic isn't muted
Did
this whole
you just
time.
see all of that?
What's happening? Is it over?
I
The
think it was.
crack is still in the sky. Look,
There's a crack in the sky.
I'm going to look at where I'm literally investigating full force.
I'm coming. There's a team in front of me, but I don't even feel like engaging them, to be honest with you.
No, don't fight. Dude, I didn't know that this event was gonna be this long. I wouldn't have fought. I knocked so many people.
Something's falling out of the sky. Something's.
No, it's just
Are you serious?
no, nothing's falling, dude. It's just
I gotta get up on the side of this mountain, dude. I gotta get a better view. Okay, so the sky is officially cracked open.
Aim your crosshair at it. Do you hear that?
I literally have chills.
Hold on.
I didn't game end anyone. I knocked like 7 people.
So if you ADS on it, yeah.
No, come on, man. Come on, bro. We're all in this together. Don't kill me!
Anything change on the map?
No, I'm looking on the map. Nothing's changed at all.
Okay.
I literally have a guy with a scope there trying to kill me in the back loop.
Yo, Ben, yeah, you're behind him. Kill him. Oh, actually, it's a whole team. You're dead, Tim.
Dude,
I mean, dude, I think this is it. I think that was the event. That was the world event. That was
Something fell. Something went somewhere. That's what I'm looking for.
Dude.